I can tell within 30 seconds if someone is actually ready for passive income or if they're just dreaming about it. There is one simple question that I ask, and the answer reveals everything about whether they're ready to succeed or fail. Most people get the answer wrong immediately, which is why most people never build real passive income. I ask potential students not one question, but several questions. Here are some of the questions that I've asked in previous times. Are you willing to set up an S corporation? Wrong answer is, do I really need to set up a corporation? Can't I just go on my name? Are you willing to set up 2 or 3 bank accounts for your ATM business? Wrong answer. Can I just set up one? Are you willing to put your own money in the ATM? Wrong answer. Can't I just get someone to put their money in my locations? Can I find a vaulter? Are you willing to talk to 100 business owners and to get 99 no's just to get 1 yes? Wrong answer. Can I just find a locator to find me locations? If you notice, every answer is always the easy way out, but easy doesn't build grit. You need grit not only to build your ATM business, to build any business. These types of questions cut through the surface level enthusiasm to reveal true commitment and understanding of what it's going to take to run your own ATM business. Now hold on, before we get to the rest of the video, I want to ask you question of the day. I ask you the question and you answer in the comment section below. Now here's the question. Can you think of other questions that would let you understand if you're ready or if someone else is ready to start their own passive income business? I'm excited to hear the answers in the comment section below. All right, let's get back to the video. Most people confuse wanting passive income with being ready for passive income. Being ready means understanding what passive income requires: active upfront work, financial discipline, and the patience to build systems that pay off later rather than immediately. The right answer revealed understanding that passive income isn't about building assets, not finding shortcuts. It's about willingness to work hard upfront for future benefits, realistic timelines, expectations, and focus on providing value rather than just making money. These questions filter out who will quit when they realize passive income is not actually passive at the beginning versus those who understand that passive part comes after you have done the work to create systems that run without constant intervention. The right mindset is, I will do whatever it takes for me to be successful. I have a playbook of what works and what doesn't work. If it works, I keep the plan. If it doesn't work, I get rid of that plan. That's how a successful business works. You adapt or die. So we adapt. Now I challenge you to be honest. Assess assets. Whether you're ready for reality of building a passive income business or if you're still caught up in the fantasy version. Once you have that mindset, you will progress much faster than your expectations. If you want to find out what the new question is and test whether you are truly ready to build a passive income business or still need to adjust your mindset first, then you should watch more of our videos on our channel to see whether you complete the readiness assessment. Or if you're confident you are ready to do the upfront work required to build genuine passive income and want a proven system to follow, enroll in my ATM A to Z course to start building assets that will eventually run without you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Enroll in our mastermind community, and I'll see you guys at the next ATM mastermind video. Thank you guys very much.